VIVO V60 versus REALME 15 Pro. Two popular mid-range phones. Let's see which one comes out on top in this matchup. In display, the REALME 15 Pro takes a clear lead. Resolution, pixel density, screen ratio, protection, refresh rate, and IP rating, all included. The VIVO V60 only scores on size and panel type. Software? It's a tie. Both come with the latest OS and UI. Powered by the same chipset, performance is even. CPU, GPU, and overall benchmarks are very close, with REALME holding a slightly higher AnTuTu score. Storage is also a draw. VIVO offers more RAM variants, while REALME provides faster ROM performance. The main camera goes to the VIVO V60. Stills look better, while REALME delivers slightly sharper video, but the difference isn't significant. I'd still give the edge to VIVO here. On the front camera, REALME edges ahead. Photos are matched, but REALME takes an extra point with video recording. In battery, it's another tie. VIVO wins in capacity, while REALME balances it out with wired charging speed. Connectivity is complete on both phones. Points split evenly, and neither offers a headphone jack. But that's fine. You can still enjoy your music with Bluetooth or wireless options. In dimensions, it's a tie again. Height, width, thickness, and weight are nearly the same. A difference of just 5 grams, barely noticeable in daily use. In terms of price, the REALME 15 Pro is more budget-friendly. Final score: VIVO V60 ends with 7 points. REALME 15 Pro comes out slightly ahead with 9. If your priority is main camera performance, the VIVO V60 is a solid choice. But if you want a better display, more features, and a friendlier price, the REALME 15 Pro is the clear winner. That's it. The choice is yours. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more tech content. Catch you on the next one.